Hello, GlowUpVista family. We are starting a new series today. In this series, you can develop physically, emotionally, and mentally for 90 days. Enjoy your time in advance. During the first 4 weeks, we will focus on creating a sports routine and basic skincare steps. During this process, you should set weekly goals to motivate yourself comfortably. Between the 5th and 8th weeks, we will add a healthy diet and stress management methods, such as meditation, to your life. Ways to feel balanced. You will discover. In weeks 9 to 12, we will focus on improving your style and acquiring self-confidence boosting habits. You can take your appearance to the next level by renewing your clothing style. Proceed step by step to achieve your goals, and don't forget to share the results with us. We will move on to the next goals every week. Subscribe to join our series and don't miss the weekly episodes. We can't wait to share this journey with you.